Hey everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at City Place in West Palm Beach for the Father's Day car show that's being put on by Supercar Week. Yes, this is a lot of fun. They have supercars, exotics, muscle cars. Let's go check this out. Come on. Huh? Didn't think I'd see a helicopter. So we have a machine gun there, a prop machine gun. This is so cool. This looks like a Huey. Like the Vietnam era support helicopters. And here there's a, looks like some kind of transport truck. Look at that. Over here we got a BMW M2. And looks like a 5 Series of some kind. The new 5 Series. Aston Martin. This is a repeat. Wow. Okay. You can see there the back, the 4 doors in the back. What else is going on? You got a Dodge Viper ACR. Let's see, Acura NSX. I'm guessing this is a Ferrari 308. Over here. Porsche Boxster. No, Cayman. I'm sorry. All kinds of cool stuff out here. Ferrari 488. Hey, check this out. This actually looks like it's a modified 308. So here it's got Koenig seats. Let's see, this is all customized and different. I don't know, I'm guessing the company that makes it is Koenig. So you actually have your AC controls there on the center console. And instead of leather, it looks like everything's kind of wrapped in this, looks like cloth or suede. Huh, interesting. And then over here it's got, this is a Ferrari 308 GTSI. Okay. And it's, looks like it's got a wide body on it. With, let's see, hard to see, I'm not sure which wheels these are. I don't know, tell me what you think. Would you have a modified 308? Looks like the front air dam has also changed. It has a bit of a splitter on it too. Over here, hey, check this out. It's a rally car. Huh. Didn't think that anybody was turning 328s and 335s into rally cars. But hey, whatever works, right? And this actually gets used. You can see all the dirt and mud that's caked on it. I'm not sure what's up with this wheel here. It's got a lot of positive camber. I'm guessing maybe they have that set up for a certain reason, or maybe the suspension's broken, who knows. But I definitely like the 1552 rally style wheels. So, very cool. What else is out here? Let me get a good shot of the, look at that. Right there. There's one for Instagram. Right, hey buddy, how's it going?
See you, brother. See the tire?
Oh yeah.
That's how we broke the strut.
How'd you break the wheel?
Lewis came in full lock into a corner, and it hit.
Okay. How did this happen?
So the other guy, Lewis, our other driver, went full lock into a corner, and that's what the tire hit sideways at full speed and flew it off the bead.
Okay. Oh wow. So he went sideways into like a curb or something, you said?
No, on dirt.
On dirt?
Yeah.
And it ripped the tire off?
Yep, into a rut.
What the hell? It must have been a serious rut. Yeah, here's the front of the wheel, and everything just pushed off. Holy crap.
Rally racing.
Okay, so I spoke with the owner of this car, and he said that it's the Koenig Edition 308 GTSI. Ferrari, this was actually made by Ferrari, and they only made like 3 of them, so they're extremely rare. So, there you go, that's what this is. So you got Huracan Performante. Let's see, Fisker Karma. Another Performante. Looks like this one is brought up by Lamborghini Palm Beach. Supercar. There you go. Let's see, GT3 RS in ultraviolet. A lot of the Spider. Let's check out the spec. It's yellow. I don't know. What do you guys think of this? Yellow with yellow inserts with black bolsters. It's very loud. I like it. Carbon fiber door handles and carbon fiber center console. Let's see, 458. What's going on out here? Got a crazy wrap on this Challenger. Z06.
I think they let a $5 million parcel.
What else is out here? Oh, nice. So they got a classic, I think this is a Lotus Elan. And Aston Martin DB7. So right there is this restaurant called BurgerFi. Really good burgers, really good stuff. It's actually run by a friend of mine, Gino. So I'm gonna head in there and grab a bite to eat. So, hey, look at this dog. Seems like he's driving the car. It's cute. Look at this. Gold Rush Rally. Gold Rush Rally. He's ready for the run. The dog's name is Busta Rhymes. Oh, that's cute. Oh, really? Oh, I've seen these cars before. Here's Rentex cars. Here's their, looks like this is the, oh gosh, what is this? The E63 or C63S Coupe. And then of course, oh yeah, this is the C-Class, this is the C63S Coupe. And this is the E-Class, the E63S Coupe. Both of them are tuned by Rentec. Featured them before on the channel and at Cars and Coffee and stuff like that. Of course, you have another car. Hey, William.
Hey, bro.
What's going on, man?
Cool.
Long time no see. This was my friend William. He's if you need any real estate in Palm Beach, this is the guy to go to.
Thanks, man. Very good to see Finish Line Factory on location here at Father's Day in City Place.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Good seeing you, brother. Oh, that was fun. All right, so we're checking it out. Looks like they have a huge lineup of Teslas down there, Model S's, Model X's, and over here is actually this camo wrapped. Get a good view of that. This camo wrapped Tesla Model S with a ski box on it. So it's pretty interesting. It's pretty fun. It's different. So I'm going to continue on down the street. I think they've got a lot of classic cars there, and we'll go check that out. Here you go, third gen Camaro, completely covered in chalkboard paint. And the kids have been having fun with this all day. Hey dog, what's going on? Yeah, happy Father's Day. This is fun. I should do this to a car someday. I should, right? This is cool. Not one inappropriate drawing. I'm impressed. Hey, so check this out. This is an interesting Mustang. It's the 427R Track Pack, and I think this actually might be an original Roush car. So you see, it's actually got the Jack Roush's signature right there on the seats. I see some carbon fiber bits on the dash and other customizations. And let's see, this car has, I think the current owner might have put some slicks on it for drag racing, and this carbon fiber spoiler. But the best part is up here at the front. There's a Ford Racing intake manifold, and a ProCharger supercharger. And this car currently makes 765 rear wheel horsepower.